While ordering food from outside, have you also compared prices like me of your two favorite delivery brands, Zomato and Swiggy, and have you also not found much difference? Similar ही लगते हैं दोनों, बढ़िया ब्रांड है बट सिमिलर लगते हैं. Yes, today we will figure out how both these top brands in the food delivery market are similar and how they can differentiate. We will look at it from a marketing strategy point of view. Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan. Let's get started. Zomato and Swiggy, they are quite well matched. आज हम देखेंगे कि where these two top food delivery brands in the Indian market are similar, क्या इनके points of parity हैं, where are they similar, and going forward, how can one race ahead of the other, what are the points of differentiation that they can work on. So we will study the food delivery aspect of this discussion from the point of view of marketing strategy. The similarities and differences can be seen by studying the entire customer journey and what the user experience is like. देखिए ये स्टार्ट कैसे होता है. सबसे पहले is the behavior of wanting to order food from outside. Now a lot of effort has happened with different companies which has helped this behavior come into being. And of course, they'll keep working on this, and tier 2, tier 3 markets will also adopt this behavior. So there we are more or less okay. This behavior has already happened. दूसरा, जब हम ऐप पे ऑर्डर करते हैं, both Swiggy and Zomato have an excellent user experience there. Delivery and logistics is the key and the core, but you have to give it to both the companies. There might be some mistakes and some errors, बट बेसिकली दोनों बहुत बढ़िया लॉजिस्टिक्स हैंडल करते हैं, बोथ द टाइम, द स्पीड एंड द वे द डिलीवरी इज डन. फ्रेंड्स, दीज आर सेम. जो पॉइंट ऑफ पैरिटी हमने बोला, दैट इज व्हाई दे आर वेरी वेल मैच्ड एंड आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क दिस हैज हैपेंड. वेयर कैन जोमैटो और स्विगी गो अहेड? टू वाइटल एस्पेक्ट्स. लेट्स कंटिन्यू द जर्नी. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द आफ्टर सेल्स और आफ्टर यू गेट द फूड, इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. फ्रेंड्स, हियर इज वेयर a customer can really feel bad. जब आपका फूड ऑर्डर अच्छा ना हो, आप वेट कर रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, which company can handle this better? Although both do it, I don't think there is a very strong operating procedure where you can say that one is better than the other. Secondly, when you take this whole journey into mind, even before or after, when you look at the brands, before and after sales, when you look at the brands, there is no one brand that customers show a special love towards. Both are good brands, but बेहतर क्या है? क्या किसी एक ब्रांड का ऐसा लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम है which I really vie for and I say यार, by using this again and again I get a benefit. They've tried but not yet. No one has succeeded. दूसरा, games, contests, programs, surprise rewards, these are there off and on, but I don't really identify one or the other brand, and I don't have that special relationship with them. Friends, these are the two areas of differentiation that both Zomato and Swiggy can work on, and this can be the difference going forward. Friends, आज हमने देखा from a marketing strategy point of view how Swiggy and Zomato are very well matched brands. There are two areas where one can go ahead of the other. One is after sales dispute resolution. The second point is the overall love or the loyalty that one brand can create more than the others with their customers. ये brands आपने भी use किए होंगे. What do you think? Do you agree with these points? Do you have some other points? Write in the comments below. If you like this kind of cutting edge marketing content, please do subscribe to this channel. Also, forward to your friends, colleagues, classmates who are marketing enthusiasts.